How to get the best Cnfans coupon codes in 2025. The first things first is open up any preferred web browser, maybe from your mobile phone or from your laptop. Does not matter actually. So right now I'm going to be using a laptop and I'm currently running with Google Chrome. So in your search bar, we will be using a different or a third-party website for us to be able to have that code, and we will be using it for Cnfans. And here all you have to do next is search for couponwcode.com. Now this is going to be the website that we will be using for us to have a certain code that we can use for Cnfans. Now this is going to be the official site of the coupon that we'll be getting. Now just head directly to the search bar right here and you'll have to type Cnfans. Wait for the drop down to come out and there it is. Just click on that. So we will be redirected to a new page and we have a certain amount of deals right here that we can use. So for you to be able to have the code, just simply click on get deal and you will be given out a specific code that you can use from the Cnfans. So that's it. That's how you get the best Cnfans promo codes working in 2025.